for channel. Today's video, naglalaro kami ng sasakyan.
Anong tawag mo dyan sa ginawa natin?
Cars.
Car? Okay. Ano to, Det?
A tower.
Tower. Paano ka pupunta sa taas?
Elevator yan.
Okay.
Pag nagpunta ka dito, nandito ka na.
Okay.
Alam ko pababa.
And how about this? What is this? A parking lot?
Yeah.
Oh, bakit congested na? Bakit sobrang dami na nakapark? How about this one? Not this.
That is the normal house.
Normal house. Hey, this one.
Is LEC.
LEC? How about this one? Normal house too.
Oh no.
Where is the SM?
Daddy.
Where is the SM? Wow, the bigger one. Ilang floor yan?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
30th
Oh no.
floor.
Daddy.
Gas station. Where's the gas station?
No.
Jet, where's the gas station?
I don't know. This one?
Oh, car wash.
This one?
Market. Supermarket.
This one?
Oh, sabi mo kanina normal house lang yan.
No, it's different.
Okay. Okay. Dun ka na sa starting sa gate. Saan yung gate? Oh, doon ka sa gate.
Nandito na na.
O, kunwari may meron kang visitor from other town. Okay, nasa yung visitor mo from other town. Okay, pupunta daw siya kunwari sa village. Jet Village. And
No, awat ah.
visitor lang siya. Paano niya malalaman? Meron siyang mapa? O, sige. Map. O, sige. And turn right. Turn right. Follow my instruction. Turn right. Turn right. Turn left. And turn left. Turn right. Turn right. Turn left. Diretso lang. Going to Jet House. Oh, elevator. Oh, are you happy? Pwede nang iwan?
Kaya.
Magtatrabaho na, Daddy. Ikaw na maglaro mag-isa?
Ito baba. Kaya ko ito baba.
Ay, ano na? Magtatrabaho na, Daddy. Ikaw na maglaro mag-isa?
Yeah.
Okay. Babay ka na muna. Ano na yan? Sobrang init. Tapos yung utak, kailangan mo pa magganyan.
Oh, sira na.
Oh, nabawasan ba ang init ng panahon, nak? Nung nagganyan ka?
Sira na.
Saan? Okay na, babay na.
Bye.
I'm going to work na. Okay.
Magawa na tayo.